How do you keep all the details of a character consistent when drawing them from a different angle or in perspective?
That's the language. That's it. You don't have to think about this. You think about only when you created some, like emotions, right? You try to imagine this. Like you wanna tell the story, right? If you want to tell the story or you want to talk to somebody, of course, it's kind of like a natural way to you, right? To use words, right? You just try to use words to tell to this person what do you feel or what do you think about something, right? It's the same way. If it's a language, it means everybody can learn. I promise you, everybody, because I have big experience with different kind of students, and I've seen some students who actually don't know even how to hold a pen. Yeah, but really, in a really wrong way. But they became very good, very strong animators. They became because they want. They listen me very carefully.